DrRS channel. This is Dr. Riffat Sadiq. I'm going to talk today nutritional supplements value in the elderly. As we grow older and older, we have our system become a little bit weaker, or we are just like cars. We need more maintenance. We need more tender loving care. So we need more supplements in our diet, which we don't pay attention when we are young. So, what are the most commonly diseases which are really get a lot of impact if we do have a good supplements? Osteoporosis, arthritis, and many others. But these are some medical problems, especially osteoporosis, arthritis, and many more. So, if we do have simple supplements added to our diet, it doesn't cost much. It's a dietary supplement. We should start with dietary supplements. And once that, if we can do that, then we can go to the medication and the pills. But still, I would suggest that dietary supplements are the best because they get most of them are absorbed 100%, or they absorb much better than pills. So if we are adding eggs in our diet, egg have all kind of vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D. What we need to do is have simple dietary items in our daily meals, and we should be all right. Adding an egg every day is going to be very important. So when we say osteoporosis, what do we need? What kind of supplements we need in osteoporosis? That is calcium. Where we can get calcium? We can get calcium from milk, from multiple other sources, but also in egg, vegetable, fruit. Everyone knows calcium is extremely important. But along with calcium, we need magnesium also, which is going to help us in osteoporosis. Then vitamin D. Vitamin D is a very important to prevent the osteoporosis. So we can get from sunlight, or if we are not able to go out, we can get the vitamin D in the supplement forms, in the medication, in the tablet form. But if you are adding one egg every day, one or two eggs, organic eggs every day in your diet, that is really multivitamin. But the yolk of the egg is, I call it multivitamin. And then arthritis. The same things can help in arthritis also. Calcium, vitamin D, and a very, very, very important food item which can help you in arthritis is bone broth. Bone broth has a lot of nutritional supplements which can really help in your really arthritis. You will really have your joints healthy for longer time. So bone broth once a week you should take in your diet once a week. Then adding a lot of other very commonly used vegetables like spinach, which has a lot of B vitamins. We have to add B vitamin also, B6, B12, because these vitamins are very good for your blood cells and very good for your nerves. So if we want to keep ourselves young and healthy, we need to add these food items, which are extremely important. So adding milk, fish, which has omega-3 and other vitamins, egg, some green vegetables, especially spinach, some nuts. Nuts have extreme important value in our dietary, in terms of our diet. So please add these supplements and you can stay healthy and stay younger for a longer period of time. Thank you.